Ever deleted a Canva design and instantly wished you could take it back? You're not alone. And the good news is, restoring deleted items is quick, simple, and something every Canva user should know how to do. Let's jump straight in. Start by opening your Canva dashboard. Look to the bottom left corner of your screen. There's a section labeled Trash. This is Canva's built-in safety net, kind of like a recycling bin. Click it and you'll see everything you've recently deleted laid out in one place. Your deleted files are organized by date, with the most recent ones at the top. Scroll through and find the design you want to bring back. Once you spot it, hover your mouse over that file. On the right side, you'll see 3 small vertical dots. This is the More Options menu. Click those dots and a small menu will pop up. From there, select Restore. It's usually the first option you'll see. The moment you click it, Canva sends that file back to its original location in your projects. No waiting, no hassle. If you want to confirm it worked, head back to your Projects or Home tab and you'll see it right where it was before you deleted it. Now, here's something a lot of users overlook. The trash isn't permanent storage. Canva clears out old deleted items after a period of time to free up space. So if you accidentally delete something, or even if you're just testing ideas, don't wait too long to go back and recover it. Knowing how to restore files lets you create freely without stressing over mistakes. It's a small tip that can save you from a major headache. If this helped you get your work back or gave you peace of mind, stick around for more quick and useful Canva guides. Thanks for watching and keep creating with confidence.